Hello, and welcome to Coding for FTC. I'm from the 19516 Husketeers. While learning programming for the first check challenge, I thought there should be an introductory video course on programming for beginners, so I decided to make one myself. In this course, we're primarily going to focus on Java, and we're going to program through Android Studio. And while it is for beginners, I'm not going to cover things about how computers work, or what compilers are, or what variables are, and stuff like that. However, it should be pretty easy to follow along, even if you don't know these things. And I highly encourage you to ask questions through the comments if you're having trouble with anything. These are the stuff that we're going to cover in this course. The first is the introduction, where we'll learn about the FTC development kit and stuff like what are driver stations or control hubs. Then we're going to learn about data types and math operators, in which we'll learn about integers, booleans, and other data types, and about operators such as the addition operator or the assignment operator. The next is selection statements, in which we will learn about if statements and for statements and while statements. Then we have classes and methods, and in this part we're going to learn about what classes are that we've been using as example codes but haven't really understood about. We're going to learn about methods that we can actually use to make our robots move. Then we're going to cover stuff about states and inheritance. Lastly, we'll cover stuff about hardware, in which we learn to actually code for servos, motors, and other things like sensors.